Hi, it's Doug Wolf with Keller Williams Realty in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Today we're going to be bringing you a market update for the cities of Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, and Norfolk. These are the 2012 numbers for January 2012 and looking back 12 months to January of 2011 and seeing how those numbers compare, seeing what the trend lines are. These numbers are fresh off of our multiple listing system, which is a real estate information network. If you're a buyer or a seller, this is definitely information that you should be using to help make an intelligent decision as to whether or not now is the right time to be selling your property or buying a property. It is not specific to your subdivision or certainly your home. It is a generic, general look at the city as a whole. Once again, we're looking at Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, and Norfolk. So let's get right to the numbers. For the city of Norfolk, the number of units that are currently on the market in the city of Norfolk for the month of January were 1,364 properties. That number is actually down a little over 25% where it was January 2011. That is unbelievably fantastic news because as the inventory goes down, so does the month's supply, so does the ability for there to be so many foreclosures and short sales on the market. So that is definitely good news. The number of units that sold in the month of January, 155 closed transactions. That percentage is actually up almost 14%. Once again, very good news. We're seeing inventory go down and closed transactions go up. That's a good thing. Median sold price, $130,000 was the median sold price in Norfolk. That number is actually down about 11.5% where it was last January. That is just the market normalizing itself out. Okay, we're still in a trend line for what the average sold price would be versus last year at the same time. And the number of months of inventory, meaning how long it will take to actually sell what we currently have for sale on the market, is just a little bit over 7 months, and that's not too bad. That's just a little bit still into a buyer's market and outside of the normal range of 3 to 6 months. Looking at the city of Virginia Beach, 2,549 properties on the market for Virginia Beach in the month of January 2012. That number down pretty much like the city of Norfolk, 22.5%. Once again, very good news. Number of units sold, 315 in Virginia Beach in January. That number is up 6.42%, and that is a good sign. Inventory going down, closings going up. Median sold price, $210,000 in the city of Virginia Beach. In comparison to last January, that number is down just a little bit, 2.33%, which isn't too bad. I mean, that's almost equal, where there's still a little bit of a trend line of the prices going down, but not by much. Number of months of inventory, 5.77 months, well into a normal market for buying and selling in the city of Virginia Beach at 5.77. The number of units, 1,699 in the city of Chesapeake that are currently on the market for the month of January. That number also down 11.19% for the number of units. Once again, that's a really good trend line. Number of units sold, 181 units sold in Chesapeake for January, and that percentage is actually up 5.23%. Once again, good sign. Median sold price, $214,900, and that number is down 10.25%. So we're still seeing a trend line going down in the city of Chesapeake for the median sold price. And months of inventory, 6.98, so a little bit under 7%. That's really getting into a good market, a normal market. We're starting to leave the buyer's market there. Still a little high, but not too bad. So what do these all mean? Well, simply it means that if you're looking to sell your property, you need to price it right, and it will sell in a timely manner. If you're going to put the property on the market and it's going to be overpriced, it's going to continue to sit because the trend lines are still going down in all three cities for the median sold price. If you're a buyer, it's still a fantastic time to buy. There are definitely deals out there. You can see inventory is going down a little bit. The longer you wait, the tougher it's going to be to get a deal. But we're pretty excited about these numbers. We'll be back in March with February's numbers. And obviously, if you'd like a printed copy of this report or last year's numbers, let me know. I'll be happy to send it to you, give you a great idea of what the trend lines look like. Once again, it's Doug Wolf, and you can reach me at dougwolf@bettercalldoug.com. You can always go to our website, bettercalldoug.com, see some great trend lines there as well, do some property searches. If you need to reach me directly, 757-515-4728. Make it a great day. See you next month.